Hello, good evening mga ka-kitchen! So tonight, ang gagawin naman natin ay roast chicken. So ito na, na-wash ko na siya, yung whole chicken. And gagawin natin ngayon, lalagyan natin ang kailangan natin ay butter. Mga 3 to 4 tablespoon. Then, I use this peri-peri salt, and pepper. So, pat dry natin kasi kawawash ko lang siya. So, ang first thing kong ginagawa is naglalagay ako ng butter sa loob. Ito yung mag-aano ng moist para maging moist yung ating chicken at hindi maging dry. So now, ang gagawin natin, maglalagay tayo ng peri-peri salt. Pwede kayong gumamit ng garlic granules. Salt. Konti lang kasi may peri-peri salt ka na, so you don't want it too salty. Pepper. So, napagsama-sama na natin siya. I-mix nyo lang together. And then, rub. If you want a Chinese style, meron ding Chinese style, you can just add 5 spice. Binaliktad ko na siya. So, turn it over. May nalaglag na butter. And then, rub. It's all ready. And we can put it in the air fryer. So, on natin. Put the air frying mode. It's normally set at 200 degrees, but we don't want to burn our chicken. So, we'll set it for 180 degrees. And then, you need a heavy-duty tong. Medyo malaki yung aming chicken na nabili. But that will fit. And start. So, I'll reduce yung time niya to 10 minutes. Kasi baka makalimutan ko. So, mas maganda may timer. 10 minutes sa isang side. Then later on, i-turn ulit natin for another 10 minutes. Tapos na yung 10 minutes. So, ayan na yung ating first side. Ngayon, gagawin natin is, kasi masyado malaki yung chicken, ibabalik ta rin natin. Oopsie. Medyo mabigat kasi siya. Dahil he's big. Okay. And balik natin. Again, air fryer. 180. And another 10 minutes. Start. Okay, so check natin yung other side. I think I'll put another 5 minutes this side, tapos pagbaliktad another 5 minutes. So, check. Tada! So ngayon, turn ulit natin siya. Let's turn it over. Ooh, looks yummy and juicy. Another 5 minutes dito. So, air fryer, 180. Another 5 minutes. And start. Let's check it out. Okay. Mabigat. Look at that. Hello, ito na po ang ating roast chicken dinner. Napakasimple, napakabilis, at masarap na may enjoy ng inyong pamilya. Thank you very much. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please comment and share and like and subscribe sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you. Bye-bye! Ito na po ang ating roast dinner chicken. Roast chicken dinner. Ulit.